What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today we're going to be making turkey burgers. Let's get started. First, you're going to need half of a medium onion. If you love onion like us, then you can use more. We're using half of a large onion. Cut the onion in half, slicing downwards through the root. Turn the onion on the flat side and cut the top off opposite of the root. Then peel off the skin. Cut vertical slices across the onion, but make sure to leave the root intact. The root holds the onion together and prevent you from crying while you make the remaining cuts. Place the palm of your hand on top of the onion and slice horizontally. Don't cut all the way through the onion and be very careful with this step. Slice downwards across these cuts to dice. We want the onion to be finely diced, so we're going to cross chop. To do this, place the tip of the knife on one end of the onion and place your free hand on top of the spine of the knife, rocking back and forth to chop the onion. Mince finely. If the pieces of the onion start to spread too much, use your knife and gather them back into a pile, and repeat the process until the desired size is reached. In a large bowl, combine the turkey, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, salt, a generous amount of pepper, and the onion you just diced. Mix together using a fork until all the ingredients are combined. The mixture is usually pretty messy, so to help make them into patties, we freeze them for about 10 minutes. The burger meat is much easier to handle when chilled. Divide the mixture into 4 even patties, about half an inch thick, and place the patties on a lined baking sheet. Bake the patties for 25 minutes at 375 degrees. After the burgers come out of the oven, we're going to place them in a skillet with canola oil on medium-high heat. We're going to sear these for about 90 seconds on one side and then flip, and cook for another 90 seconds. After they're done searing, serve on a bun with your favorite condiments. We liked it just as much, if not more, than a beef burger. Now take a large bite and enjoy. Follow us on Instagram and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.